Welcome to the Azores, a breathtaking volcanic archipelago in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and one of Europe's most spectacular hidden gems. Located about 1,500 kilometers west of Portugal, the Azores consist of 9 islands formed by powerful volcanic eruptions over millions of years. Today, these islands are famous for emerald green landscapes, volcanic lakes, dramatic cliffs, waterfalls, hot springs, whale watching, and rich maritime history. In this complete travel guide, we'll explore all 9 islands of the Azores in order, uncovering their history, top attractions, and the best ways to visit them. São Miguel is the largest and most visited island in the Azores. It is often called the Green Island because of its lush forests and rolling hills. The most famous attraction is Sete Cidades. This giant volcanic crater contains 2 stunning lakes, one appearing blue and the other green. According to local legend, the lakes were created from the tears of a princess and a shepherd whose love was forbidden. Geologically, the crater was formed by a massive volcanic collapse thousands of years ago. The Vista do Rei viewpoint offers one of the most iconic views. Next is Lagoa do Fogo, or Lake of Fire. This pristine volcanic lake sits high in the mountains and was created by volcanic activity over 15,000 years ago. Another must-see destination is Furnas. This geothermal wonderland is famous for boiling springs, volcanic steam vents, and natural hot pools. The region's most famous dish, Cozido das Furnas, is cooked underground using volcanic heat. The geothermal activity here has fascinated visitors for centuries. Terra Nostra Garden is another highlight, featuring thermal pools surrounded by exotic plants collected from around the world. Santa Maria is the southernmost island and enjoys the warmest and driest climate in the Azores. Praia Formosa is one of the few natural sandy beaches in the archipelago. For centuries, it served local fishing communities. A unique attraction is Barreiro da Faneca, often called the Red Desert of the Azores, featuring red clay formations created by ancient geological processes. Visitors can also explore waterfalls, hiking trails, and dramatic coastal cliffs that showcase the island's natural beauty. Terceira is famous for its culture, festivals, and historical importance. The city of Angra do Heroísmo was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Walking through Angra feels like stepping back into the 16th century. Visitors can explore colorful streets, churches, and historic squares. One of the island's most extraordinary attractions is Algar do Carvão. This ancient volcanic chimney allows visitors to descend deep inside a volcano. Inside, travelers discover underground lakes, volcanic formations, and rare silica stalagmites. Monte Brazil, a volcanic peninsula overlooking Angra, offers hiking trails and panoramic views of the city and coastline. Graciosa is known for its peaceful atmosphere and whitewashed villages. It is often called the White Island. The island's most famous attraction is Furna do Enxofre, a gigantic volcanic cave containing an underground lake. Visitors descend into the cave through a spiral staircase and enter a surreal underground world of windmills, vineyards, and natural swimming areas. São Jorge is one of the most dramatic islands in the Azores, famous for its Fajãs, flat coastal areas at the base of towering cliffs. The most famous is Fajã da Caldeira de Santo Cristo. Historically isolated, this area became home to small communities that survived through fishing and agriculture. Today, visitors hike through breathtaking mountain trails to reach the lagoon. The area is famous for its clams and world-class surfing waves. Fajã dos Cubres offers another stunning landscape featuring a protected coastal lagoon surrounded by dramatic cliffs. Pico Island is dominated by Mount Pico, the highest mountain in Portugal at 2,351 meters. It remains one of the most iconic landmarks in the Atlantic. Climbing Mount Pico is one of the greatest adventures in the Azores. Most hikers reach the summit in several hours from Casa da Montana. The island is also famous for its UNESCO-listed vineyards. Early settlers built thousands of stone walls to protect grapevines from ocean winds. Visitors can also enjoy whale watching, lava pools, and volcanic caves in this remarkable wine-growing region. Faial is famous for blue hydrangeas and its volcanic history. Its most dramatic attraction is Capelinhos volcano. In 1957, a powerful eruption changed the landscape. Today, visitors explore the surreal volcanic terrain that resembles the surface of another planet. The city of Horta is known worldwide among sailors. Its marina serves as an important stop for yachts crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Flores is often considered the most beautiful island in the Azores. Abundant rainfall creates countless waterfalls that cascade down green cliffs. The most famous attraction is Poço da Ribeira do Ferreiro, described as one of the most magical places in Europe. Other highlights include Lagoa Negra, Lagoa Comprida, and dramatic coastal viewpoints overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. Corvo is the smallest and most remote island in the Azores. Its main attraction is Caldeirão, a giant volcanic crater. The crater contains miniature lakes and small islands that create a landscape unlike anywhere else in the Atlantic. Because of its isolation, Corvo offers a glimpse into traditional island life and some of the best birdwatching opportunities in Europe. Most international visitors arrive through Ponta Delgada Airport on São Miguel Island. Direct flights connect the Azores with Lisbon, Porto, Europe, the US, and Canada. Travelers can move between islands using regional flights and ferries. The closest islands, Faial, Pico, and São Jorge, have frequent ferry connections. Renting a car is the best way to explore each island independently. From the volcanic lakes of São Miguel to the towering peak of Pico and the waterfalls of Flores, every island in the Azores offers its own unique story. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, hiking, wildlife, or history, the Azores provide an unforgettable journey. The Azores are not just a destination, they are an experience where nature, history, and the power of volcanoes create a true Atlantic paradise.